Good afternoon, children. Yesterday we started the lesson, the sky. Lesson number 14, the sky. So yesterday we finished about the sun and its family, the sun, planets, and earth, and also shape of the earth, and some questions were given for you. Simple questions were given for you to write. And also yesterday I showed you about the solar system, that is sun's family. Yesterday I showed you planets, the eight planets which revolve, which move around on its own axis or on the orbit which we call. So these are the different planets moving on their orbits. Now here, let us come to the about movement of the earth, that is day and night. Look, page number 186 about day and night. Page 186 once again. Key finger. During the Earth's rotation, one side of the Earth faces the sun and receives the light. During Earth rotation, what happens is, one side of the Earth faces the sun and it receives the light, and this part of the Earth has day, it is light. The other part of the Earth which do not receive light and has night, it is dark. Since the Earth rotates from west to east, the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Know this. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and this is, we call it as a day. And the Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. This is called a year. For to complete one full round, it takes 24 hours, that we call as rotation, and means it rotates, Earth rotates on its own axis. When Earth revolves around the sun, it takes 365 days. It is, we call it as a one revolution. It is 1 year, and at that time, day and year are a result of Earth's movements, and at that time, seasons occurs. And the Earth is marvelous. As mentioned earlier, the Earth is the only planet that has life. So many factors are there on the Earth to sustain the life. As you all studied that Earth having the ideal conditions for life, such as temperature, water, suitable atmosphere, with life sustaining gases and all are there on the Earth. Now, know this about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 29% by land. The Earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. The atmosphere has oxygen, which is very essential for respiration of organisms. So atmosphere has oxygen layer, which is very essential for the respiration of organisms. Nitrogen and carbon dioxide, which is essential for the preparation of food and nutrition of plants. The water, which is essential for living beings, is available on the Earth through the process of water cycle. And life on Earth has become possible because of the suitable distance between the sun and the Earth. And ideal climate, variety of soils which supply food and water to the plants, and suitable environment, etc., which are present on the Earth. Hence, the Earth is a marvelous planet. Now, so far we have learned about the Earth, which is the third planet from the Sun. Now let us learn about the other subset members of the solar system. Now, we have You have learned that there are 8 planets in the solar system. In the order to their distance from the Sun, the names of the planets are Mercury, Venus. You can see Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 8 planets. Earlier, Pluto was the ninth planet of the solar system. Recently, it has been considered as a dwarf planet and is no more a planet, and it is not no more a planet of the solar system. You can see all the 8 planets in the written in the order. Now page number. Know this, till 2005 Pluto was considered as the ninth planet, as it did not have all the characters of the planet. It was considered as a dwarf planet. Now coming to about Mercury. It is the first planet, the nearest to the Sun. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun, and it has no water, and it is the hottest planet because it is very near to the Sun. So it has dry climatic conditions. It has very dry climatic conditions. It has a rocky substance, and large craters and mountains are there. Large crater means big, large, very large holes. Craters means holes are there, and mountains, and it revolves around the Sun faster than any other planet, and it is brown. It is brown in color. Mercury is brown in color. Now coming to Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and smaller than the Earth. Venus is smaller than Earth. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is known as the morning star or silver star and even the evening star. Third one, Mars. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars 1, 2, 4. Mars is the fourth planet. Earth is third planet, and Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is also known as the red planet. Mars is known as red planet, and its red soil is formed because of iron oxide. It has huge volcanic craters and giant canyons and canals. The canals are now as dry as dust. Thus, it looks like a desert. Mars planet, it looks like a desert. Jupiter, it is a fifth planet from the Sun and is the largest planet in the solar system. And it is 100 times bigger than the Earth, and it is gaseous giant planet. It has a great red spot. It is 3 times the size of the Earth. It has great red spot. Red spot is there. It is 3 times the size of the Earth. Means the size is, it is 3 times the size of the Earth. That much big spot is there, and there are thin icy and dusty rings around this planet. And Saturn, it is 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter, and it is also made up of gases. It has thousands of rings of ice, rocks and dust. That is why it looks beautiful and attractive. Lastly, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Like Jupiter and Saturn, it is made up of gases. It is seen as a blue-green disk and it has rings which are opaque and it is covered with thick clouds. Now coming to last one, Neptune. It is the eighth planet from the Sun. Its composition is similar to that of Uranus, and its color is bright blue, and it is one of the coldest planet in the solar system due to its great distance from the Sun, because it is far away from the Sun. So it is the coldest planet in the solar system, and a list of period of rotation and revolution of the planet is given. A list of period of rotation and revolution of the planets is given on the basis of Earth's timings. With the help of this table, answer the following questions. Earth's timings. Duration of Earth's rotation. Which planet takes the least time to complete the one revolution around the Sun? Why? Now here are the features of some planets given below. Take down. Take down. Features of some planets. Features of some planets are given below. Mention the name of the planets. Mention the name of the planets against each of them. Against each of them. Take down the first one. Where to planet? Planet, brightest planet, biggest planet, biggest planet, blue-green color planet, blue-green color planet, only planet that has life, planet has life. Its day is longer than its year. Its day is longer than its year. Longer than its year. With the planet. There's a red Mars. Mars. With the planet Mars. Jupiter, blue green color planet, blue green color planet. Blue green color planet. Uranus. Uranus. And it has director. It has its day is longer than its year. Its day is longer than its year. Day is longer than its year. Day is longer than the year. Venus. take the further things. It is meteorites, asteroids, comets, and about the moon, movement of the moon, and the rest of the things tomorrow I'll be taking it. So this is about these are the some features of some planets are given below here. Take down this one in your classroom, and tomorrow let me continue the further things. Thank you.